Veerashaiva Vidyavartaka Sanghas Veerashaiva College presents online classes. Myself, Dr. G. Rajshekhar from the Department of Physics. Now I am going to deliver a lecture on NAND gate as universal gate. NAND gate can be used to realize all the basic gates, NOT, AND, OR, XNOR and XOR. That's why it is called as the universal gate. The first one is NAND gate as NOT gate. How can we realize NOT gate from a NAND gate? Here we have a 2-input NAND gate. Both the inputs are tied together and connected to a common point A as the input. At the output of the NAND gate we have y is equal to A dot A whole complement. Since A dot A is equal to A, we have y is equal to A complement, and hence the NOT operation is obtained. The symbol for the NOT gate is shown here. If A is the input, A complement is the output. So the same thing is obtained using NAND gate y is equal to A complement, and hence NOT gate is realized using NAND gate. Second, NAND gate as AND gate. Here we have two NAND gates. The input to the first NAND gate are A and B. At the output of the first NAND gate we have AB complement, and this is fed to the NOT gate. AND gate is connected as NOT gate, and at the output of this I have AB complement, whole complement. Double complement of any variable is that variable itself. Therefore we have y is equal to AB. The symbol for AND gate is shown here. A and B are the inputs. Y is equal to AB is output. Same output is obtained by using NAND gates. Hence AND gate is realized using NAND gate. Third one, NAND gate as OR gate. So here the two inputs A and B, both the inputs are fed to the NOT gate, and at the output of the first NOT gate we have A complement. At the output of the second input B, after passing through the NOT gate we get B complement. These two inputs are fed to the NAND gate, and at the output of the NAND gate we have A complement dot B complement whole complement. Using the De Morgan's theorem, complement of the product is equal to sum of their complements. So we have A double complement plus B double complement, which is nothing but the variable itself. So we have y is equal to A plus B. The symbol for NOR operation is shown here. A and B are the inputs. Y is equal to A plus B is the output of the OR gate. So the same thing we have obtained using NAND gate. So OR operation is realized using the NAND gates. NAND gate as XOR gates. Here we have 4 NAND gates. The first output NAND gate is AB complement. This is being fed as one of the inputs to the two NAND gates, top and bottom. Another input to the top NAND gate is from the input A, and for the bottom NAND gate is from the input B. So we have two inputs, and the output of the second NAND gate on the top is A dot AB complement whole complement. You can say that is equal to X. Similarly, the output of the bottom NAND gate is B dot AB complement whole complement. Let us say it is equal to Z. So now these X and Z are the inputs to the fourth NAND gate, and the output is obviously X dot Z whole complement. Now let us evaluate X and Z. X equal to A dot AB complement whole complement. Applying De Morgan's theorem, we have that is complement of the product is equal to sum of their complements. So we have A complement plus AB complement double complement, which is nothing but the variable itself. So this can be written as, that is X equal to A complement plus AB can be written as x equal to a complement plus b using the identity A plus A complement B is equal to A plus B. Similarly, Z equal to B complement, Z equal to B dot AB complement whole complement. Apply De Morgan's theorem, that is complement of the product is equal to sum of their complements. So we have B complement plus AB complement whole complement, that is double complement, AB double complement, which is nothing but AB. So this can be written as B complement plus A using the same identity. A plus A complement B is equal to A plus B. Now let us substitute the values of x and z in this final equation. Y is equal to x dot z whole complement. So we have A complement plus B dot B complement plus A whole complement. Apply De Morgan's theorem. We have, that is, complement of the product is equal to sum of their complements. We have A complement plus B whole complement plus B complement plus A whole complement. Once again split it based on De Morgan's theorem. We have A double complement dot B complement plus B double complement plus dot A complement. So we have A double complement is A, so A dot B complement plus B double complement is B. We have B dot A complement. This is nothing but the XOR operation, that is Y is equal to AB complement plus A complement B. A XOR B is equal to AB complement plus A complement B, and the symbol for the XOR operation is shown here, that is A and B are the inputs. Y is equal to A XOR B is the XOR operation. Fifth one, NAND gate as XNOR gate. Here we have 5 NAND gates, but the 4 NAND gates here are the same as that of the XOR gate, and at the output of the 4th NAND gate I get the XOR operation, AB complement plus A complement B. This is fed to the NOT gate and as input to the NOT gate, and at the output of the NOT gate we have Y is equal to complement of AB complement plus A complement B. Let us evaluate this using the De Morgan's theorem, that is complement of the sum is equal to product of their complements. We have Y is equal to AB complement whole complement dot A complement B whole complement. Once again split it using De Morgan's theorem. I have A complement plus B double complement dot A double complement plus B complement. We have this nothing but A complement plus B dot A plus B complement. If you distribute this inside, I have this A complement dot A plus A complement B complement plus AB plus B dot B complement. So complement, the product of the complement and the variable is equal to 0. So we have A complement dot A is equal to 0, B complement dot B is equal to 0. So we are left with AB plus A complement B complement. This is nothing but the XNOR operation for the two inputs A and B. So A XNOR is equal to AB plus A complement B. The symbol for XNOR is shown here, and the output, if A, B are the inputs, output is A XNOR B. A XNOR B is the output. So this completes the NAND gate as universal gate. We have obtained all the 5 gates using the NAND gate, and hence NAND gate can be treated as the universal gate. Thank you. If you got any queries, any suggestions and feedback are welcome. Thank you.